How to add topics on Twitter. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add topics on Twitter. First thing we're gonna do is go to Twitter and then go here, and now just you need to find this one, topics, click on it. And now as you see, all you need to do is just select any topic you want, like football or YouTube, and then just click here and go back. And now let's go back again to topics, and as you see, YouTube has been added. And that's how add topic on Twitter. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.